Yeah. Wake up, saints and sinners. Screens glow, spirit lifted. It's the Big Daddy Morning Show. Yeah. Tap in. Get blessed by the breakout. Yeah. Coffee steam and a green candle. Big Daddy Max with his hands on the handle. Charts up like a stained glass panel. Preaching price levels, lighting up the channel. Verse 15, y'all, that's the line. Opening range, mark horizontals in white. If it rips past high, he's riding that flight. If it snaps that low, he's shorting on sight. Let's go!
It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
Gospel in the game. Holly on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet, yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet, yo.
Lama, red pajama on the cam. Laughing while he draws those levels on the span. Golden line swing like a church choir stand. Pull back, hit the mark, that's a gift, that's a plan. Fibs on the move, he hums like a hymn. From the swing to the wick, watch the retrace swim. If it holds that zone,
He's all in with a grin.
if it cracks that floor,
He's dancing out again. Step out. It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
gospel in the game.
Hallelujah, holly on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet, yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet, yo. Candles talk, what they saying? They say trend strong, y'all keep praying. Which shout, what they showing? They show turnarounds, time to get going. Red to green, congregation stands. Green to red, they clap their hands. Even in a loss, they sing that song. Right edge, right wrist, we'll be strong. It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
In the game on the floor.
Most entertaining thing on the internet.
Yo! Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet.
Count it up. 1, 2. This is a check they said I'd never see. Look at me now. Yeah. Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step. Daily loss, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Greed said double up, fear said bail. Mind doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back. They said get a real job, dreams too small. While I journaled every entry on my bedroom wall. Screens at dawn, eyes dry, but I stayed back testing every scar from the trades I made. Psych on tilt, heart race when I click. Cutting wind short, let the losers get thick. Talking to my shadow in the monitor glare. Stick to wrist, let the trend go where. Prop firm, email almost failed that phase. One pip shot, thought I lost those days. But I tightened my rules like my laces on the track. Came back, hit target, little green on the stack. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. Now I'm up and I'm up again. It's for the nights when the spread felt cruel. Charts in my face like I'm back in school. It's for the cans that you threw in my ear. I took every word, turned it all into gear. This for the rules that were built like a cage. I learned every line, made them fuel my rage. This for the voice that said you'll just crash. I muted that sound when I saw that cash. Now it's payout day, screenshot in the mail. Bank back at buzzing like I just made bail. I don't flex small wins, I respect that grind. Every digit on the screen took a piece of my mind, but I'm not done, it's the first brick laid. Whole new challenge every time I get paid. I run it back, same plan, more calm. Same firm, new face, same war, new bomb. They gon' say lucky, call it just a streak, but they ain't see the losses, I don't ever tweet. You doubt me once, I'll forget that fast. Doubt me twice, I'll just double this bag. Now I'm up and I'm up again.
Lama, red pajama in the booth, big drama. Yeah. Turn it down, turn it up, Big Daddy morning saga. Came from pennies in the sofa to the charts, top dollar. Self-taught, killer, naughty, study every comma. Used to heat the same stew, 3 nights, 1 pot. Now the plate look like a painting, chef talk, that's art. G-Wagon in the snow, tank tracks on the block. Used to watch from the sidewalk, now I'm on in the lot. Legos on the desk, built plays brick by brick. Click, clack, stack, stats, every candle, every tick. Merging numbers with the nerve, yeah, I been my own script. Fibs on the chart, in a circle in my grip. I don't follow, I invented, I don't care if you agree. Unapologetic when I speak on the feed, you get feeling.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Futures, options, and day trading involve substantial risk of loss. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. Past performance does not guarantee future results. All commentary represents personal opinions and analysis that may change without notice. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional before trading. Viewing this show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Oh, yeah. Wake up, saints and sinners. Screens glow, spirit lifted. It's the Big Daddy Morning Show. Yeah. Tap in. Get blessed by the breakout. Yeah.
We don't do it for financial advice, pussy. It's entertainment.
It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when
Look at the dump. Holy shit. Bang, 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 bang. TP.
most entertaining thing on the internet, yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the
Keep on the strong stop losses at orb.
I said, my first day here, how often do you hit like this, man? Every fucking day.
Every day. Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy, Big Daddy Max, and I'm with the one and only Mr. I don't have my camera on because I'm a tubby Teletubby. Lama, red pajama, guys. It is Monday, January 26th, and it is 9:30 in the morning, and we're going to have a great day. We're going to have a great day. Clearly, my co-host, he having problems. So give him a
I'm in the
moment.
short, by the way. I'm at 1500. Max,
Short.
I gotta cut it short today, by the way.
All right, cool. Great. Gotta cut it short today. Love that. What's going on, man?
I spent all day installing the fucking water heater with Jason from 9 a.m. to 12 o'clock at night. Bro, I just looked outside my window, bro. My whole garage was leaking.
Well, sometimes
I got pulled out there. 75.
cheap is not better. Sometimes going with your boy is not the move, twin. I don't know how you guys did that because my water heater is like copper pipes all through the fucking garage and brand new everything, and it's mounted to the wall, and it's
No, one of the hoses came off. I just went over there, bro. It's fucking insane.
you better get that motherfucker to the house or get a company to the house.
No, I already got it.
You're dropping way too much bread in that crib for you. You're not even in the Ninja
I got it
VOD.
resolved already.
Are you in the Ninja VOD or recording?
No, I'm not in the Ninja VOD. I am recording.
All right, we're gonna wait for Lama to get back in the Ninja VOD, guys. We're having a rough morning, but we're gonna get Lama in the Ninja
I'm
VOD,
on.
and we're gonna do it again
I'm
when
on.
I see his face pop up.
I'm back. I really want to short again, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I only want to short today.
Here we go.
I just gotta wait.
Are you logged in?
Yeah, I'm logged in. I'm in the pod. If we fail to make a new high, I'll short. But if it makes a new high, I have to wait this out.
Guys, today we are sponsored by Funded Future Family. Guys, Funded Future Family, and they're doing something really special for us, the Funded Future Family. If you check out the today's sales right now using the link and code BDM only, a special code BDM sale, 65% off all evals and 40% off straight to funded accounts right now with Funded Future Family with code BDM. You can get funded right now for the cheapest price in the industry with a straight to funded account, or you can enjoy 65% off all accounts. Go check out their new website and the new plans. So right now, if you go straight to funded and you click on a 50K and you hit code BDM, let's see what the price is on that bad boy. Let's see what the price is on the bad boy. Get funded today. Straight to funded 50K plan. Use code BDM. Get funded for $299 right now. Get funded for $299. Hold on. Let's see what else. 65% off all evals. Let's take a look and see what that looks like. I really want to see what that looks like. So if we go to the premier plan,
if it's gonna go.
the premier plan is fire. Let's go to the 50K premier plan real quick and take a look. 50K premier with code BDM right now is only low $47. $47. So lock in, guys, with Funded Next, or Funded Next, Jesus Christ, Funded Future Family, guys, 65% off. And one more thing. If you use code BDM today, you're going to be entered into a raffle that automatically turns their evaluation into a funded account. So you're automatically going to be in a raffle that turns evals into funded accounts as well. So one of the craziest, coolest, funnest promos. Big shout out to fucking FFF. Big shout out to FFF. It's going to be great. The long looks really good right here.
Yeah, this is probably going to keep ripping. This has room.
Yeah, this has room for sure. I like the
I have
long.
nowhere for it to curl from.
The structure break. I think if we get another pullback, I mean, it's how about that Justin Gaethje Patty Pimblett fight? Oh my God, we haven't had a banger like that in so long. What a fight! Those two absolute warriors, fucking warriors. I loved it. I loved everything about that fight. I thought it was amazing. Look at this SPX breakout. I'm about to hit the long button. You kind of have to with this crazy uptrend.
Next level's all the way at 830. Like if it rips from here, it's like a big move.
Yeah, it's a huge move. Here we go.
Like a big move if it were to keep ripping from there.
Going, and I want to see SPX close the gap, which is literally just another 2 points up. I want to see it close that huge gap. There it goes. There it goes. Here we go. There we go. Keep ripping, baby. Just keep going up for daddy. There it goes. I'm up. We up. Rip the long for me, please. Let's go all the way to 800. 800, please. I want to
see us go to 830 at least. Like
830 would be sick. I'm going to put a stop loss at break even and just see if we can squeeze a couple more points out of this. Would be huge. Squeeze the long. Guys, that fight, wow. Justin Gaethje fights. And you know what I told Logan before the fight was, I can't believe the disrespect. There we go. Newer high. The disrespect they put on Justin Gaethje's name, that he was a 30-point dog. 70-30? Justin Gaethje? Whoa, look at this ripper. I'm up 400 per con. And trailing stop loss at 89. Stop loss at, oh, it stopped me out. Right there.
I'm at 84 under the body.
I love the long.
Stopping at 84.25 right under that body.
Cash money, guys. You know the deal. It's Monday. One and done for Max. Follow the rules. $1,450 cash, and the long still looks good. $1,450 cash, live execution, live everything.
Stop at 84.25. See if it pulls this out or not.
Cash accounts, baby. Another. That means we're up $15,000 cash in 6 days.
I pulled out there.
$15,000 cash in 6 days.
Good shit.
MOT Live is in fucking 2 days in a wake up. MOT Live. MOT Live. We do this. I will tell you this. I will tell you this too. I'm actually very excited for the Super Bowl. Did anyone did anyone in the world think we're going to be watching a fucking Patriots Seattle Sam Darnold Drake May Super Bowl?
Never.
Did anybody in the world predict that? I'm not going to lie, Seattle wasn't even on my radar until I saw them jokers play against their first playoff game, and they absolutely decimated the fucking the 49ers. And I was like, oh my God. I was like, I wasn't aware of your game, Seattle. I felt like I wasn't aware of their game. Them boys went berserk. I was like, this team's going to the fucking Super Bowl. It's sad day in Denver. I will tell you this. I will tell you this right now, and I can say this with confidence. Bo Nix does not get hurt. Denver Broncos are in the Super Bowl, without a doubt. Without a doubt. And it's a terrible thing. It's a terrible thing. The injuries, they need to figure out these fucking injuries. They need to figure out these damn injuries. That's what they need to do.
Oh man, does it curl back from here? Like, do we just let it continue?
No, I like the long. Nothing says short yet, baby. We're still in the schlong.
There's some doubt though. We're kind of like in some interesting areas.
The trend is still just up, and Q is clearly uptrending until it's not, right? I mean, until it's not.
Right.
And then we're going to trade. Where is my... These groups, bro, they be getting me tight right now, twin.
Yes, it's starting to curl clean. We're having a divergence right now.
Yep, SPX looks good. And Q looks good. The trend is up on all time frames. I mean, right before the market opened, we saw a beautiful bear flag breakout, and that's what we're riding still. I mean, the continuation here. There's really the range breaker popped off, the bear flag popped off. Does everyone see that trend right at open break on NQ? I mean, this thing is butterfly in the sky. I could fly twice as high. Just take a look. It's in a book.
Really starting to curl here though.
It's Max's rainbow.
Let's see what this next candle does.
Looks delicious. Is that a chocolate chip cookie with Oreos and all?
You ever had one of those? What are those called? The Oreo cookies?
Rookies
The
or
Oreo
cookies or
bazookies?
I don't know. I don't really fuck with like I'm
Oreos?
fat. Don't get it twisted. I'm hella fat, but like I'm not a fan of like the cookies that have so much shit in it. You know what I'm saying? Like I just like a good old chocolate
I like
chip.
a good old chocolate, like a chewy chocolate chip. It's curling here.
There's a break.
It's a
Hold on.
20-point down move. Yeah.
Yeah, this could be your first potential look here at a reversal. Let's see what this next candle does. If this wicks all the way back up, then that's really bullish. Just don't enter on this candle, chat. Don't enter on this one. It's always the next one. Look at that wick. That's why. Look at that wick. Don't ever enter on the candle you think you want to enter on. Wait for the next one. I don't really fuck with Oreos like that. Look at the breakout there. Wow. Look at the reversal and breakout. Wow. The trend is up. The trend is up, baby. The trend is up.
8:30 already.
I would wait until it hits
8:30.
8:30. Lama has said 8:30 since market opened, and I think he's right. I think he's going to go all the way up to 8:30, maybe even more. Maybe even more.
If it breaks 8:30, it goes 8:50, but then I'd want to see a pullback from there. This is too steep in my opinion.
Hey, Daddy Max, I was going to enter a trade, but then you say no, enter the trade, so I didn't enter it. And now I saved my whole account. Hey, Daddy Max, thank you so much, Briz. Oh my God, legend, absolute legend. What a legend! Wow.
I'm trying to find when the water started leaking. I can't find it.
Great job, guys. Great job. Look at the long. We called it right at the beginning of the day. Well, a little bit after the beginning. A little bit more confluence, but this thing is ripping. From my long entry, everyone should fuck. It's like 50 points now. You guys should be sitting real good. Obviously, I took profit quickly, but I'm happy with my profit, guys. Funded family, future funded family, future funded family, fef. Is there anyone here who thinks they can say funded future family 5 times fast for a free account? Does there anyone here think they could really say funded future family 5 times fast? Really? Really? Oh, that's easy? Oh, you guys think that's easy? You think you can come up on stage in front of thousands of people and say that 5 times fast? All right. All right. Let's get a random up here. Rory! Let's get a random up here. Who thinks? Who thinks they can say funded future family, funded future family, funded future family, funded future family, I almost got it. All right, let's get Rodol. Rodol, get up here. Now this looks interesting here. SPX wicks down, confirm break on NQ. Now that looks a bit more interesting, please. This looks like it could go here. This could be a potential Fute 2 break on a short here. I'm watching NQ. If SPX curls red and NQ breaks, then I'm going to take a short. We got Orb in 2 minutes. It could be a good short here, especially a rejection off of 800. There goes NQ. Just need to see it close red. All right, Roddle, we got you on stage.
What's up, brother?
You think you could say funded future family 5 times fast?
Yeah.
All right, you got this. Let's see what happens. All right, it's on you. And if you do this, you're going to win a funded future family account. You ready for this?
All right, let's go.
All right, funded future family 5 times fast, 5 times real fast. Get ready, get set, go.
Fund the future family, fund the future family, fund the future family, fund the future family, fund the future family.
That was 3 times? That was 5 times? That's pretty good.
I counted.
Hold on, Bobby.
That was 4.
That was 4.
Hey,
First
hey.
of all, that was 4.
That was 5, brother.
Bro, the chat's on your ass, bro. You're in front of thousands of people. That was 4. And there's no, where are you throwing the R? Funded futures family. I don't know. I heard multiple R's. Are you Hispanic? Are you rolling them forward?
Puerto Rico, brother. Puerto Rico.
Oh, Puerto Rico, pa.
Puerto Rico. Okay.
We got Orb in 7 seconds, guys. Get ready. All right. That didn't count because you said it 4 times and you kind of mumbled a little bit. I want to clear funded futures family.
That's the action.
You ready? God, the long looks so good now. Did not curl. It just ripped up. Get ready for Orb. Okay. On you. Funded future family 5 times fast.
Fund the future family, 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 fund the future family. I got him 5. I got him 5.
Bobby, you said
I did more just in case.
You did an extra one in case you said. Yo, that was hilarious. You did good. I think it was 6. And on
There's 830. Let's see if it rips to 850.
He fucked up. On the 6th one, he fucked up. We're at Orb SPX is the only thing I'm watching right now. If we reject back in and we hit Llama's 830, then
We hit 830 already.
Right.
834.
I'll get ready for a potential reversal. If we break down from Orb, if we break back into Orb and we bounce off of Llama's 830, then I'm definitely looking at that right now.
Let's see if it does a squeeze to 850 though.
That was good. That was good. I'll tell you right now. That was good. You did with the accent and everything. I think I'm impressed. You did 6 on the second one, and congratulations. You just won a 50K funded future family account. You just won.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
I'm excited for the event.
Let's go, Papa. You're coming to the event.
I'm going to the event, brother.
Let's go. Max Options Trading Live, 2 days and a wake up. We are going to put on the absolute greatest event of all time for traders from Max Options Network with all of our great sponsors like Funded Future Family. All the entertainment for the entire weekend, guys, is sponsored by Funded Futures Family. So make sure you guys lock in with them. 65% off currently all evals, 40% off all straight to funded using code BDM. And if you use code BDM today, you enter a raffle to change all those fundeds or all those evals into funded.
Body closure.
Get ready to rock and roll. Bobby, congratulations. You just won a free 50K account. Open a support ticket. And what do you got to say for us and the chat?
Muchas gracias to all of you for the support you gave us to the traders, and
Hold on.
let's go. See you at the event.
Hell
Nos
yeah.
vemos allá, papi. Nos vemos allá, papi. ¿Sabes
I
cómo
know
es?
that.
There
I
we
know
go.
that's right. I don't know what he said, but I fuck with it heavy. We love you, brother. Thank you.
Dale, dale.
I don't know what he said, but I like it. You know, I feel like it might have been a little disrespectful, but it's okay. You know, that's what he said. He went. I
Yo,
think he
we're
was saying.
curling.
I think he was
It's
saying.
just not breaking back in yet. NQ's broken back in. Yes, it's still staying outside.
Yep, we just gotta hang out and be patient because it's SPX orb is everything. We got a rejection on NQ here, a potential rejection on SPX. If it breaks here, this is the max way short right here. This is a max way short right here if this breaks. So let's see what happens. But if SPX can get below 46, 45,
going
46,
right now.
there it goes. This is the max way short, Llama. This is screaming Max Poppy. Max, you go short, Bobby. Let's
This
see
is
what
the type
happens.
of trade you just click the button off the level and you're up to 20 points already.
Click the button on the low. Skundun's gotta go. Big Poppy. SPX is holding though. SPX is holding that orb.
Yeah.
It's gotta break. It's gotta break down. If it breaks, it's gonna be the easiest 10 to 15 points of your life. Let's see what happens there. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. SPX, you coming back into orb? Not.
I don't know. It's still stalling. It needs to break below 805, 804 for me to jump into it.
Potential
If
treesy down in the orb.
ES could break in, then I would jump in, but I can't jump into NQ like this with
No.
ES still this strong.
Poppy, listen, the short SPX treesy's down. I'm telling you, if it breaks 46, I'm pushing that short button heavy. If SPX can break 46, I'm pushing that short button heavy. Let's see what happens. But we've also seen everything get bought up today. You also got to go with the trend, and the trend says we go up, Poppy. SPX testing orb again here. Whoa! Whoa! There we go. There we go.
Print through like 804 for me to click it.
Up. Don't get bought. Don't get bought.
If it stays down here, I'll jump for a continuation.
Time to go. Yep. Time to go. See you later. See you later, alligator.
That's a good print. I think I might have to test one off this little wick up. Better entry. If it wicks and flips, we're in good money.
Yep.
A wick and flip will put us in something nice. Yes, finally gave the print inside. Like, we just got to see if this curls here. It would be an ideal type of move if it can just wick and flip.
Yeah.
But it's got to have an ASAP. What time is it? 9:50? Where's the previous 5 at?
Watching SPX to pop back out of. Oh, there goes. Breaking back outside of orb.
Is it? Yep. Hold on. I'm still holding it on NQ. NQ's stops are going to be 20. I think I'm just going to catch a DCA up here. Better entry. There's a wick out. I'm already in profit off that DCA. Now, if this can fucking go back down, yep, that's that. Come on now, you guys seen it on the chart. You know what that is.
Yeah, if SPX breaks that previous candle low, Llama, you are printing brioche.
Yeah,
you are printing
sure.
brioche.
Gotta see if we come take this low.
I'm talking bread. There it goes. I'm talking bread.
Come on. Oof. Oh, don't do that. Might have to have like a 23 hard stop, much as I don't want to. Much as I don't want a 23 hard stop, I'm gonna have to put a 23 hard stop.
What my shit on jacked up?
24.66 is gonna be the hard stop, bro.
And Q breaking back up.
So I gotta play safe here. It's not looking too good.
Thank you, Bobby.
Come on, bitch, wake up. It's getting aggressive here. Good
that wick was vicious. I don't know. I like the short. I don't know. I like the short.
I'm still in it. I'm holding it. I had to stop at 24.75.
Yeah, I mean,
right there. It was right below. It was 1 point off. I'm back in the greens. Back in the greens. 13-point SL. It's like kind of worth, you know.
Do I have a ratio on or something? Why did my accounts get so thrown off? I don't know what's going on with my accounts, but the ratio is like thrown off. I
broke back out. I don't like that.
What would cause this to happen? Look at the I scalped the short, but look at my P&L. Why would it be so? How would I get
Delayed.
four different P&Ls on
Just delayed.
delayed?
Not looking. Oh, another wick out. This really could be the move, but ES is so strong here. Makes me not want to hold the trade. ES is way
No,
too
no, I
strong
like
here.
the short. I like the short better. Why does it
I'm
keep
holding
doing?
the short. I just don't know if I want to hold it.
Is this some limits?
ES
Is this
is
some limit
ripping
shit?
here.
I'm so
ES is
confused.
dead ass ripping here.
Yeah, that's a beautiful break back out as NQ as well.
Yeah.
Could break back out of orb. What
I'd
is
hate
going
that.
on? It's like not filling all of the fills.
No, I got pulled out there.
There's a break to a newer high as SPX goes to a newer high. I'm so confused what's happening there. So confused what's actually going on right there. Every time Llama gets pulled out, it usually goes.
I jumped right back in.
Every
Off
time
that
Llama gets
point.
pulled out of a trade, the trade normally works. So I'm thinking about going short. What were you in a short?
Yeah.
Every single time Llama's in a trade and it doesn't work out. The trade normally works out after. Hold on. We're going to test this theory.
Wow, look at
Yeah.
that wake up. What the fuck?
Oh, yeah. No, it's good
This
you got
might do
out of
that move to that 50. I'm still waiting on this.
It's good
I
you
want
got
to
out
jump
of that.
back in if it squeezes to that 50. ES is now starting to get a little bit weaker. I just want to see if NQ could squeeze up and then come down. I'm going to catch this short. Need to wait on it.
Every time Llama's shit. I'll tell you, I'm about to hit short. I'm about to go full short. If Llama wanted to go short and it didn't work out, it like always hits right after. And he's always pissed. And he never
No, I'm coming back into it this time.
and he
I'm
never
not
re-enters
fucking
the
around.
trade. No, don't come back into it. Don't come back into it. Let everyone else do it.
Fuck no, I'm
Llama
coming back
always
into
does
it.
this, and then it
Fuck
hits,
that.
and then he's like, "Motherfucker, God,
No, I'm jumping back into that one. Promise you.
no, don't jump back into nothing, bro." There, look.
Look at this shit. Oh my
Bro,
god.
look, Poppy, listen,
Puppy, listen, that shit curled all the way back down.
bro. Look, every time Llama gets out, hold on, Llama, don't get back in yet. Let the people eat. Let the
No, fuck
people
that.
eat.
I think I'm gonna click it here.
SPX got to keep dumping. Go. Keep going. If we just get one continuation candle, this is, oh my god, this is gonna dump. Let's see.
I'm not waiting on it. Waiting on this one.
That's so funny. Every time I
Happens every time. It never fails.
Yo, let's see. I would be so crazy if this thing does dump right back down. You don't even gotta. You just gotta see if NQ can get back down to 800. I mean, that's a huge 28-point move. It could happen at any time. That is so funny
It
to
could
me.
squeeze up to 50.
It jumped from 39. I was 19 points. Yeah, I'm
If it
just
goes up
watching
to 50, I'm probably gonna like really just click the button around there.
That was so good. So good, chat. I'm muted? Someone said
No.
I'm muted? I don't think I'm muted. You're a liar. It's Monday morning and you're a liar. There goes SPX. Hold on.
Yes,
SPX
it's
breaks
curling,
orb
man.
and structure. Guys, if SPX can break structure at 85, excuse me, at 45, we're only 2 points away, then this thing is going to dump. It just needs to break that market structure. Everything has been bought up today. The trend is up. The trend is definitely up. There's no doubt in my mind the trend is up. But let's see if it can break that market structure.
I really wanted to go to 50 here.
Everything's getting bought up today, boy. Oh. We're buying. We're buyers. We're buyers. There was a couple impulses on this slow melt up. Let's just see. I mean, we're right here at the top of orb, so this will be the easiest trade of the day. Is if both NQ and SPX break back down into orb, this will be the easiest trade you probably get for the rest of the day.
Yeah,
So
for sure. Probably all the way to midline too.
Yeah,
If it breaks that, bro, it can go all the way down.
Right. I don't even think you need to hold that long. I think you could get out way before then.
Just get one little explosion, like a little fuck you candle, volume, bang, wick out, bang, and then just a full
One
flip back
little
down.
bangy bangy. Thank
There's
you,
the up
ma'am.
move, bang.
Little
Just
one,
want to
baby.
see
That's
it
all
go a
you
little
need.
bit higher and then just kind of curl down and like really just start to tank.
That's it.
There's the
Poppy pig.
847. There goes across. Now I want to see if it wicks out from here.
Oh, yeah. Everything's getting bought up today. We got a range break. We got a huge range break.
I
This
want to see
could
this
go.
candle wick out and stay in the range, and the next candle just melt. If it keeps ripping, then there's probably no trade for me. The only trade I look for right now is if this wicks out and starts shorting.
Bob
Is
Saget.
looking pretty good here. ES still never took the high, so NQ's taking charge right now. ES being weak like this is really good for me. Just got to see if we start to curl. I would prefer this candle to be like a doji candle. This could be like a doji, and the next candle should be an aggressive dump.
Doge. Doji, why? Doji candle, why? Yeah.
I'd love to see this candle just be a doji, bro. Next candle just fucking tank like 30
Yeah, look at
points.
that SPX dump. Whoa.
Yeah, this is
And
what
now
I'm talking
NQ
about.
decide,
ES is looking
hello.
very promising. If NQ could play catch up, it's gonna be a fucking movie.
SPX just has to get down to 45
We're gonna
and orb.
starter. I'm gonna starter position here. Starter position. Just in case for the pre-tank. It's like literally a 9-point SL.
Testing orb right here. Testing orb. Hello,
Give it
orb,
like 12
please.
points in case it takes a high.
Let's see if SPX falls here, Llama. Ooh, very
If
interesting.
ES breaks back in, NQ gets very aggressive. Like, it's gotta go.
SPX is holding orb.
Kind of a doji, but not really. But I want to see this candle that has just dumped to like the 20s, the 20-pointer.
SPX, please. SPX, please. Buyers, there they are. Stepping in again. There they are again.
I've stopped on top of that candle, bro. It's 9 points. Like, not worried about it.
9 points ain't nothing, twin. Right. 9 points ain't nothing to worry about, twin.
It's worth the risk, in my opinion. It's no true confirmation, but it's worth the risk for 9 points.
Let's see if we can break this orb or not. I mean, this is the entry.
There's
Oh,
clean,
whoa, hold on.
There's already a 20-point candle. This is what I talked about.
Nope,
20-point
I'm not
candle
jumping
right
on
now.
nothing until I see that market structure break. But if it does break, that's looking good. Hold on, here comes 45. This is the test. If SPX fails that 45, that market structure is gone, ladies and gentlemen. That shit is gone. And it is time to go to Pound Town.
Oh, bitch. Come on.
I'll take Llama to Pound Town.
What? You said what?
I'll take Llama to Pound Town. I'll join Llama on Pound Town. I'll join him with his bot. I'll
What? Yes, it's broken in here. We just
There
gotta
goes.
see, like.
Oh, here we go,
what's
Llama.
in here.
Here's the market structure test. Hold on, just needs a print through. Hold
Gotta see
on.
what happens here. Gotta see NQ's going up. ES is going down. I want to see NQ get weak here.
There it goes. Oh, it tested.
Little 20-point
There it
scalp.
goes. SPX needs to fail. 45 right here. Bang. That's a full market structure break. I'm about to go short, possibly with the Rama. I'm going to wait for the next candle. This is the market structure test right now on SPX. Looking for that at real dumper. NQ goes back and no. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Let's see if this gets bought up.
It's all
or
up
not.
to this candle. It either pops up or like this
literally
gives us the
liquefied.
move here.
Yeah,
It's all
or
up to this candle. I'm gonna go stop, break even now.
Bang, there's that market structure break. Let's see. And Q needs to get back into orb. And Q is the only thing it's holding now. And Q needs the spot. We got relative weakness on SPX we've been waiting for. And Q now fighting for its life. If it gives up that booty, if it gets back in orb, there goes SPX. There goes the
That's an
market
orb
structure.
tap, though. I want to see it break into orb.
The market structure break was so clean. The short looks so good.
Come on, you got to break into orb here.
Yep.
Break into orb here, young lady.
Break into orb here, young lady. I
Break
think we got
into orb here, young lady. That's ES taking a low.
Yeah, look at SPX. There it goes. Come on, NQ. Break into orb for Rama, please. There it goes. Testing orb. Break into orb for Llama, please. I want Llama to win so bad.
I have my full stop at 45. I did take partials on that low. I don't
Wow,
like
look at
that
that
ES.
candle.
I don't like that ES took the low and NQ didn't. Could give this pullback that it did right there.
SPX popping
Dude.
back up over 45. Not.
I'm fully break even at 45. I did partial out. I did make some decent money on that.
Yeah, I mean, it dragged nicely. It was a nice looking short.
Tops were sitting at 44. It was a perfect orb top. You got a partial at orb every time. It broke in. This would have been a movie, but
right now I'm thinking the long, that beautiful bounce right outside of orb and NQ, and Q showing relative strength. If SPX can get back outside of orb, this long will be good now. Right here is where you want to go long on SPX. If it breaks orb right here, this is the retest break. That was a nice
full
short.
close at 45. 45.75 is my full close break even.
Now you get on the right side of things after that pullback. You get on the buyer side of things. If that orb break holds. SPX. Ooh, is that a established lower high? Oh,
Gotta see here. Really all up to like probably the next candle is what's gonna tell us.
oh. Do we use RSI? No, never. I can't say never. That's a lie.
I don't know what RSA stands for.
The relative strength index.
Oh,
You didn't know that?
No idea. Never looked at it.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, you didn't know that for real?
I swear to God, I never knew that.
Oh wow, Lama. Oh wow.
So it's kind of curling here. This really could be, all up to really like probably this candle now is gonna tell us if we take the low or just keep going back up.
It's probably gonna pop back up.
5 minute. 5 minute on ES just looks like it can go, but it's gotta break
Butterfly
lower.
in the sky. Strong. It's real strong.
It's just strong on the 5 minute, bro. 5 minute perfect orb tab with a print up. This looks bullish on the 5er at least.
Well, everything's trending up.
Right.
That's why I'm like, you want to get on the right side of it now. This is about the right side of it.
Right.
There is an imbalance below. SPX has not broken to orb yet. Oh, do I want to go short, please? I think I might have to go short here until NQ.
Still holding my short.
I'm not going to do anything. I'm about to stop fucking trading. Break into orb already. Stop horsing around and break down into orb. Both of you. NQ now. Break into orb now. Do it now.
Still holding a break even, bro.
Do it now.
Brand new 5 minute candle.
I'm about to call Don ET, bro. Yeah, I'm about to call Don. I don't want to call the. I will. You know I will.
Gotta
chat.
break below 35 and it can go. If not, this is looking below. If it doesn't break below 35, but if it does, then we're looking pretty good here.
It is uptrending, but there's a pain in my neck.
Full stops at 45. 45.75 is my full stop. Like 5 points away from it. 4 points away.
The most powerful thing in the market is candles, please. And I have to read the candles. And they're telling me, Lama, they're telling me right now that NQ's being a hoe. I didn't want to say that. I didn't want to say that. I didn't want to say that. I didn't want to say that, but it's
true. Just got pulled out there.
It's true. It's tested the top of the range there. SPX. Fake news. SPX hasn't broken orb yet. There it goes. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking with gas. Here we go. Fake news. SPX needs to break orb, or else. Look at this. Rejecting orb again. Fake news. The pump was not real. It's going to drop down. NQ needs to test 27.
Pulled me out there.
NQ
Might really
needs
just
to go back down
here.
to 27 because there's an imbalance. And the candle proves. Oh, I want to do it so bad. I'm about to do it. I don't want to get kicked off YouTube. I had to get that out.
Does it we can flip here or no?
Listen, all I'm saying is
There's a
right at
wick, there's a
27 on
flip.
NQ, right at 27 on Q. Rory!
There's a wick and a flip. Does it keep going or no is the question.
I think it's going to dump down to 27 to fill that imbalance because of Rory. But who knows? Honestly, who knows? I don't even know, and I don't even care. I don't even care. I just want Rory. Rory.
ES doesn't want to break out of orb here. I think I'm gonna get back short. Where's the stop at? 11 points.
Come on. And Q 27 pre's and then trade 27 and I'm done trading. Guys, remember today's sponsor, Funded Future Family. FFF, 65% off all evals, 65% off all evals, 40% off straight to funded, 40% off straight to funded. And if you use code BDM today, BDM today, you will be entered into a raffle in which you can
Break that ass.
get your eval accounts pushed to funded. Get your eval accounts pushed till funded.
We're dodging left and right.
I know. And not only that, guys, but we're going to be joined by the man himself here in a minute. I'm in the middle of a trade. 27, baby. 27. Show it to the people right here. Show them 27. Can we get a 27 and a 27 is that orb too? Wow. I didn't even realize there's a big imbalance right at NQ's orb. That is very interesting, Lama. If I was going to predict the future, I would say that shit's going to crack like a fucking eggshell, twin. That shit's going to crack like an eggshell if 27 gets tested and breaks. Here comes chat. Here comes the 27. Give it to the people. Bang! Bow! It's so close. Fill that imbalance. Fill my imbalance. Come on, fill my imbalance. Bang. Bang. Fill my imbalance. Fill it. Fill my
I'm up
imbalance.
like what 22.
Bam,
There she goes.
baby! Bam, baby!
I'm trailing at 30 now. I'm gonna just try at 30, see if it continues.
There it
Trailing
goes.
at 30. We're fully break even. We're 10 points in profit. If this continues here, we're looking really good. It broke into orb. We want to see continuation.
That's
ES did not want to break up.
That's everything. That's everything you're looking for. There it goes. There's the
If
max
this continues
fuzzy.
to dump, bro, we could really take this down, but it's got to break like 805 for it to really be weak here.
Yeah. It's going to go back down to probably 800 now.
50 ticks in profit.
It's a market break.
There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes.
Oh wow! Shocker!
There she goes. A full breakthrough.
I'm gonna trail some stop there. We did it. I knew it. I said it. I knew it. I said it.
I'm gonna trail one at 18. I'm leaving the other one fully break even. I have two minis in on this.
I want to hold because the next structure is at 802. Llama. Let's see if we go. It's got to go to 802. It's got to go to 802.
It's gonna fucking dump very aggressive.
Yeah, no, it's gonna dump.
I'm trading at 18 here. It's gonna pull me out. If it pops up, there's pulled one out. The other one's still break even. The other one's probably gonna go right on top of that candle.
Beautiful trade, guys. Oh my god. Beautiful trade. Right now, rolling 20-something points in profit. Great job there. 27 cracked like an egg, just like we said it was gonna crack like an egg. Go, baby. Go, daddy. Go, daddy. Go. I mean, listen, and you gotta be able to understand now. As of right now, the market can either reverse back up or start downtrending. So there's two things, two schools of thought there. And right now, it's gonna pop. It's gonna either be vicious pop back up, or if NQ rejects orb right here, then oh my god, dude, you push that short button. You push that short button. You take those funded future family accounts. You pass them today. If that short continues. SPX too. You pass all that today if that short continues. Get ready. Get set. I want to see 802 would be my final price target for the day, probably. 802. That's going to be 40 points. There we go. Hold on. There we
Continue
go.
in
There
here.
we go. There we go. There we go.
Continue in here. It's got to break through 80. Yeah, 802 is.
I'm going to take a
that's the number. I
partial
thought
at
it was 804.
803. 803. I want to be a little bit above. I'll take a partial at 803 and let the rest ride, baby. Ride it all
The
on.
divergence, yes, is sitting.
And Q rejected that. Or I mean, that's clean. All we need is this candle to flip red on SPX and NQ.
Definitely see 802 for sure.
Come on. Here it comes.
806,
Here it comes.
there's
Bam.
805, 803,
Bam, bam,
804.
bam, bam. I'm out. I'm out.
Oh, there it goes. Yeah, you took it. Nice.
Look at this fucking trade,
Really
baby.
nice.
Look at this
Really
trade in this
fucking nice.
confluence. Look at the trade in the confluence, baby. We did it. I'm out. Bang. Live executions right there. One of my longer trades, but I felt so important about the candles, Lama. The candles were so important. I said I had to do it. Really, I said
Beautiful.
I had to do it.
Yep,
I had to do it. I'm out.
beautiful.
What an exit. What an exit. Rory! Rory!
Like that. Rory? Now it definitely looks bullish. That 802 really held and bounced 30 points in 1 minute.
Oh, baby.
Typical.
I pass a funded future family account one day, please. I
One day,
pass
please.
funded future family. I do it one day. Hello. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage, the CEO of Funded Future Family, Mr. Manny Mraz. Mr. Manny Mraz. Let's go. Welcome to the stage.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome to the stage. Bro, I said I
Yo, good morning.
Manny and David. Welcome, David Mraz.
Max, how's it going?
I got a surprise visitor for you guys today. How's it going, Max?
It is
Manny,
good.
Danny, ¿cómo estamos?
Guys?
Manny, I
Muy
just
bien,
did
muy bien, my
something.
man. How are you?
I just did something in the industry with so much experience that most people don't do. So most people, when they're trading live, they put a price target. I said, I'm looking for 802. But then what did I say? But I'm going to take profit at 803, Manny. I want to take profit at 803. And as soon as it touched 800, it touched 800, but 803, it just bounced like a basketball. 35 points, and that is called experience, ladies and gentlemen. That is
Nice.
called
Yes, sir.
experience.
Nice.
What's
awesome.
going
Good job,
on,
man.
Funded Future Family? I don't know if you guys were here earlier, but we had a gentleman come on and try and say Funded Future Family 5 times fast for a free account, and he was from Puerto Rico, and he did it. And he did the 6th time, he fumbled his words. So he fumbled his word, but he did do it. We have an account winner.
It's that Puerto Rican accent, man, that caused him to fumble. But we're
I
good.
know.
We're good. Hey, we're
What's
good,
going
man.
on,
We're
fellas?
looking forward to this week, man. The entertainment sponsorship. Looking forward to it. Finally getting to connect, represent FFF. I got David here with us today. He'll be representing FFF. David, for anyone that doesn't know, he's our ops manager. He put together this flash sale for your viewers today, so you guys can thank David. But
Yeah.
outside of that, Max, we're just looking forward to it, man. We're ready. We're excited. We're pumped up to connect with your community and just have a great time.
It is going to be unreal. But I mean, I'm so excited for it. I can't wait to meet both. You know, you guys coming to the event, biggest event ever, Max Options Trading Live. One of our main sponsors, Funded Future Family guys. For all the VIPs, we're going to shoot hoops on the court at the Miami Heat game.
Nice.
We're going to shoot
Nice.
free throws
Having fun.
after the game.
Yeah.
We're going right down on the court, and that's all because of these gentlemen right here and everything else these guys provided. So we get to go hang out with the Miami Heat and the Chicago Bulls. Like, it's pretty sick, especially after the hype train of wearing. They just hung up Derrick Rose's jersey. There's a lot of hype.
Yeah,
with
I saw
Chicago,
that.
right? So all great things. And you guys also, thank you so much for the huge sale. 65% off
Absolutely.
all accounts and 40% off straight to funded. We did the math. You can get funded for $200 right now. So
Yep.
you
Nice.
guys,
And 50% off resets for your community as well, Max. Make sure we throw that in there. It's been activated. 50% off resets.
whoa, I
And then
Nice.
David's going to be doing a bunch of giveaways as well for your community as well. One of
Whoa.
each. 100K plans, Velocity, Premier, Classic, Elite, straight to funded. We'll let you handle that. You let us know. We'll get them activated, man. But yeah,
Hell yeah.
how are you guys doing, Max? Are you excited about this week, man?
Oh my God. Excited, nervous, anxious, pumped up more than I've ever been in my entire life. Brain is scrambled eggs, Manny. The final touches of a massive event like this, it's coming down to crunch time. So now it's like all the deliveries coming in, all the materials. All
Yeah.
that. Check this out. Check this out. Little teaser for you guys. So something right here. So for your staff that's coming, they're going to be wearing one of these bags.
Nice.
Awesome.
Those are so clean.
Right.
Sponsorship badge, baby. So the badges for Max Options Trading Live and Unfiltered, the badges are. This is for staff, and then obviously we have the VIP sponsors, in which David, you will be rocking. So
Awesome.
Nice, man. Yeah,
Exciting.
that's exciting. Looking forward
yeah,
to it,
all
man.
the speakers. So you guys will be able to see and identify your favorite influencers, VIP speakers like the Einstein of Wall Street, my good friend Peter Tuckman, and all the great people that are coming to the show to speak. It's going to be huge, and so
Yeah,
it's
man.
not,
It's awesome.
it's not possible without Funded Future Family and your guys' support.
Yeah,
So I
man.
mean,
And I hear we'll have some folks that we affiliate with, right? Like Ninja Trader was asking me about your show. I don't know if you're aware, but they
Ninja
reached out to
Trader
me.
is
Yeah.
awesome. Yeah, no, I spoke to Dan, who the
Dan,
VP
mhm.
of Ninja Trader, and
Yeah.
John. They're all coming now. So I
Yeah.
didn't know that until last week, but yes, Ninja Trader's top brass is coming, and a couple other random. Hey, we want to show up, and I'm like, whoa,
Yeah.
like you weren't on my radar. So
Yeah,
it's pretty
yeah.
badass. It's
Yeah, you'd
spreading
be
crazy.
amazed. I had a
And, you know,
lot of
we
our
sold out 3 times, and then we purged tickets for people who didn't respond to the sellout request. Are you coming in verification? Then we sold out again immediately, and we did this 3 times. We're expecting like 700 people now.
It's
Yeah.
amazing. That's
It's
amazing,
insane.
man. And
It's
I've had a few of our some I would call important people within the industry that have called me and inquired about coming along as well. So I think it's going to be a good event for all of us. Anyone that participates, not just the community,
right.
the prop firms, you know, your community, the BDM, the Max Option Trading. I think it's going to be great. I think it's going to be
Same.
a lot to talk about for a long time, man. And you know, obviously, you're going to have to do it again, right? After this successful time, we'll talk about doing it again next year. You know, we're
If
excited. Yeah, go ahead.
if we
Yeah,
there will never be an event like this again, I don't think.
yeah.
This is massive. This was a wild amount of stress and shit. I'm telling you right now, Manny. I mean, unless you guys want to throw a rager out in California at your headquarters. I mean, listen, I'm down to we can go party with the boys out in Cali.
Hey.
100%.
Yeah.
We'll be hopping the 6'4" over here, Max.
Logan
No
said,
penalties.
David, you're looking like a wild card right now, David. And as head of security, Logan wants to make sure you're going to keep it civil, and you're not bringing Rory to the event, are you?
No.
Okay. As long as you're not bringing Rory, Oprah, or any of these other broads that are going to cause problems. All right.
We're all good here.
No, he's got to stay out of trouble, man. Pops is gonna be there. You know how I
This is
do. You
David's.
know what
Yeah.
happens.
Can you
My
give us a
kids
little
don't behave.
teaser?
You know what happens, huh?
I know. I already know. Can you give us a little teaser? You guys have one of the main sponsorship booths, so you guys have a larger booth right there in the main hall. You know, as soon as you're walking towards the main hall, everyone's gonna be staring at FFF sign right there in front of them. Everyone's gonna see it where you guys are placed. Can you give us a little teaser about your booth and what kind of experience all of the traders are gonna get while they're there?
Absolutely. Ideally, we want to engage with the community, make sure that people feel comfortable talking to us. We're prepared for everything, to talk, to explain, to to talk a little bit about our upcoming plans. But we will be in our booths doing giveaways. We got some very cool, giveaways, nice hoodies, the coffee tumblers, a lot of the good stuff, quality stuff. But more importantly, is the engagement with the community, being there to answer questions. We do think we'll have some important announcements to come as well. Thanks to you, by the way. It's obviously you know what I'm talking about, but we're hoping to do a great announcement. It looks like my developer team will be ready to roll that out this week, but we'll probably hold on till the event to actually let the community know what's coming with FFF. And we're gonna have a meeting right after this call here, and we're looking to do some massive giveaways just as a thank you to all those that are already on our platform and those that are not. We want to do the same. So we just want the community to engage. You know, it's like everything, man. You give us a try, test us, see who we are, see how we function today. Give us your feedback. We'll take it back. We'll look at it. But that's what we want to be. You know, that's the taste we want to leave in people's mouth. That when they talk about FFF, they goes, "Oh, these guys were very receptive. They're cool. We want to work with them.
You
They're
guys
doing
are
great."
receptive and cool, and I don't know why anyone thinks otherwise. I don't know. The reset code is code BDM. The reset code is code BDM, guys. Remember, code
Yeah,
BDM, 65% off all evals, 40% off fundeds, and 50% off resets. And BDM's not working, Sema, for resets. It
should
resets not
be.
working, code BDM. All right, we're gonna have to
We'll
add an
fix it
extra
right
hour.
now.
We're gonna have to add an extra hour to the sale, David. I'm sorry. Dave, you had a late start, Dave. Let's get an extra hour of the sale going for all the people so they can continue to trade and make bank. Whoa, look at that reversal right off the screen. David, you're coming in representing the industry, representing a huge brand, and you're a huge
Yeah.
part of the event. What are you most excited about this week, brother?
I'm excited to make connections. I'm excited to meet people. You guys, I'm very excited to just talk to everyone, make everyone feel like, we're really out here trying to, show support for traders. A lot of this industry, I've been seeing messages, all over like, oh, prop firms just come here and they try to take your money. But in reality, I studied science. I'm a data analysis guy. And I try to make everything easier for traders. I try to make it so that they feel confident about their trades, and get them to a place where they can feel confident and they can make some money. I don't like seeing people lose. I want people to win, and I want people to learn. And experience anything that
Right,
you do. It's a part for you to learn, and
Yeah.
I think that's very
right.
important. That's what I've learned my whole life, and that's why I want to show people, and that I'm here to support them, here to care for them, and then just make them part of the family.
That's our scientist right there, man. He was supposed to be in medical school right now, but I got him right here doing his thing.
Poach
Nice.
his
Hell
ass from
yeah.
medical school. Sometimes you just got to be poaching. My brother, Florida Power and Lighting, he was in control of half of Florida's power grid in the dispatch center. And after he got his financial licenses and his tax certificate planners licenses, I said, I think you're being wasted in that dark room, and go ahead and gonna have to poach your ass up out of there real quick. So I poached him from our own family firm. I said, sorry, I could just pay him
Yeah.
more. So fuck you guys. So sometimes when you see potential in a person, you got to make the right move. And obviously it's playing out. You
Absolutely.
guys are thriving. You're doing good. You guys are about to hit a huge benchmark, 15-20 million dollars in payouts. That's absolutely
Yeah.
massive. That's so big.
Yeah.
So I mean, crushing the game. I mean, I know you guys have some things coming out that we can't speak of yet, but what else is going on with the family and everything else right now? Is there any other fun initiatives or concepts?
We're planning a not as a big event as yours, but something more internal. We'll reach out to you. We would like for you to join us, but we're planning to have our own internal conference here in San Diego, California. I think it's part of the next steps for us, surpassing a year, almost a year and a half within the prop firm industry, overcoming the challenges that we overcame a long time ago. I think it's time to connect with more people out there. We're trying to reach other countries. We have an internal marketing team that just rolled out as of January, so you'll see a lot more of FFF marketing strategies out there. But that's the focus. We're very happy with what we've done. There's always opportunity to innovate. Earlier, I was talking to Audie, our lead developer, about some of the things that we're working on internally. And David showed me a whole list of more things he already added. So it's just going to be announcement after announcement. For the month of February, we do have an amazing sale in preparation, similar to October.
Oh,
You'll start seeing some of the
oh,
teasers coming out any day now. I think David will
October was
announce it
huge.
primarily. Yeah, if October was
Yeah.
huge. So if you thought October was huge, I think February is going to be, even
Adrian?
greater, and something that we're
Oh,
saving for your show.
Let's go. That is
hell
absolutely
yeah.
awesome. You guys really are doing a lot for the community, and a lot of people don't know that. That how much you guys actually do for the retail trader, the amount of traders that you've helped out, the amount of traders that I don't want to say it. I'm going to say it. You've kind of bent the rule once or twice for traders that have been consistent for you guys. And like, listen,
Yeah.
you've
Yeah.
been a long-term customer. You've gotten to funded. You've gotten multiple payouts. And you're right. You've agreed with the trader a lot. And a lot of people don't know that about you guys. And like one thing I'll is when Manny called, Manny called me the day he took over directly, but then out of the blue, a couple months later, he calls Javi. And that was a game changer for Javi to this day, that like I feel like that helped his mental to now where Javi is just unstoppable. Obviously, he was one of your first live traders.
Absolutely, yeah, he was. And
He's
and we've spoken to a lot of other people out there directly. There's a lot of influence out there. You mentioned a little earlier for your trade, I think it was fake news, and there is a lot of fake news and
yeah,
assumptions and stuff that goes on and out. We get to talk to people. Sometimes they'll try to use us and say, "Hey, give me an account so I could try you." Or a lot of people will
Yeah.
go over there and bash on our rules, but they're trading in our platform. We just don't disclose it, right? So we know we
everyone.
have a good product. It's Max. At the end of the day, it comes to educational and compliance. You've seen a prop firm sink not too long ago. We've seen many sink last year. And it all comes down to risk, managing risk. This
Right,
is an industry that is supposed to be educational, not a casino. So we're firm with our rules. We will be doing some unique things that David has put together, like the option of, can I say it right?
Go ahead.
5 days of trading, daily payouts,
whoa,
100% profit for the trader in the month of February. We're gonna have things
a
like that.
100%
Yeah.
profit split in the month of
We're, we're
February.
gonna we're gonna have an announcement that details how that's gonna work. But the main thing that people need to understand, Max, is that it is educational. The idea is that people get better at this. The idea
Right,
is that people, like you said, help them with their to be able to feel that they accomplished something.
right,
And a lot of this requires the human touch. We're gonna do one same day payouts. We actually do for the most part, Max, but it's a very risky thing to really promote because there
right.
does require a human touch.
Yeah.
And it just depends. There's people that will request a payout on Monday at 2 and we pay them at 2:05. Instant.
Right.
We do that.
Mhm.
It's just we're careful. We focus more on compliance, but that's what we got coming along. A great month of February, great announcements at your event. Got to be the entertainment sponsor, taking people to the basketball game, to the casino, wandering around the center to engage with the community. So we're looking forward to all of that and connect with you guys. It'll be fun. We really are happy and blessed to be a part of this.
Hell yeah, that's amazing. And we can't wait as well. You guys are consistent, innovating, reinvesting. I mean, I don't know if you got a lot of people don't even know. Have you checked out the new website? Has anyone seen the new FFF recently? I noticed the updates immediately. Super clean, fast, the very easy to use, simple to use, very quick to sign up and get your
Yeah,
accounts. I mean, you guys are reinvesting a shitload back into the business as well.
absolutely. Absolutely. A lot got done. You
Yeah.
remember, I would come on your show every
Oh
month
yeah,
and say, hey, the dash is coming, the sales are coming, the website is coming, the scaling plan used to be manual. All those things that we've overcome, man. Now we're thinking of new things. We're looking at the leadership dash, or what was it that you're working on?
Yeah, I'm trying to create a point system in our dashboard.
Mhm.
Kind of get people to scale up internally and create, rewards and stuff like that just for
Nice, like a
trading.
reward system.
yeah.
That's
You guys
fire.
Performance
ever played
rewards it's
classic
performance
plans or
awards
anything
and
like
cards.
that?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's a big
You're
one
in
right
shorts, you
now.
guys take partials.
That's a big one in the
yeah. I've been
industry,
working
and a
hard
lot
on
of
that
people
one.
like that. A lot of people like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah,
You
Yep.
should be. I always say it on the show when we do giveaways, like you should be rewarded for doing the right thing in trading, because when you do the right thing
Mhm.
in trading, you get rewarded monetarily. But sometimes you need more than that push, right? Because we all pop accounts, we all get complacent, we all have that emotional day, and we blow everything. Like it's going to happen to all of us
yeah,
as traders. But those
exactly.
little touches of reward, hey, we noticed you did the right thing, and here you go. Great job. That keeps
Yeah,
people locked in and focused, and it's something that people remember. And that's why I love giving out.
yeah,
When I have people that come up here and say that they've gotten 10 payouts in the last few months and they went 6 months without being profitable, I give them double the amount of accounts that I would someone
Yeah.
who should. I
yeah,
give them double because I truly believe that doing right is especially in this field, when you make the hard right choices consistently, you deserve it. You absolutely deserve it.
yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Pedro
And
said
and
David
and
is the GOAT. He's a real stud. He's a real
The stud.
stud.
I've been working on that point system for a while now. I've got it dialed. I have like 18 pages of just making it compliant with everything, and
yeah.
just anything that you do in trading, really anything that you do could reward you
Right.
points and boost you up more.
Yeah.
And that's huge.
And that's And those are the things that we're working on, Max. You know, it's as you said, we're approaching 14, 15 million in payouts.
Yeah.
It's consistent. If you play by the
Right.
rules, you get paid. Sometimes we get, you know, recently we had some drama about uh moving people to live quickly or whatnot. And you know, it just bothers me when people don't do their research or they believe
Yeah.
something someone said.
You
People
guys have a
make
great
things
live
up and then they're
program.
begging us. What's
Right. You
that?
guys have a great live program, and I know of some influencers. Obviously, I'm not going to say who have reached out to people like, "Get me live, bro. Get me on a live account. Get me live." And it's like, no, like fuck.
Yeah.
First of all, I can't do that, dumbass. Second of all, the rules stay you need to get 5 payouts, and you'll go move to live. If you're so great, go fucking get your 5 payouts and go to live.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
you know
Yeah.
what I mean?
And
So
there's other
I'm
there's
sure you guys have heard it all. I'm sure you guys have heard it all.
Yeah.
What is
yeah.
actually? Hold on, please, God. What is some of the wildest shit you've got? What are some of the wildest inquiries you
Oh,
guys
I
got?
got this one. Someone lied to an influencer that tried to call us out, saying we moved someone alive without giving them any payouts.
And then they
That
started a little bit of
they signed
drama.
up and you were like, "Oh, we love this guy. He's on live accounts."
And you
Live,
know what's
yeah.
crazy about stuff like that? And unfortunately, Max, not unfortunately, but we just have to be respectful. We can't disclose details. But it
Right.
just hits me when people, influencers, will take someone's comment and not even ask
Run with
us
it.
and start
Yeah.
some beef. You know
Right.
what? Those people, we just do what you do. We ban them. No explanation needed to
No
them.
explanation
It's a
needed.
bunch of lies. I'm not going to go back and show them the communication. And what's crazy is that person or those people that have said things like that, they're trading in our platform. They go to live, they
I
burn their account, they burn
Yep.
their account, and then they get upset, you know? And so, but
I don't
anyway,
participate in
I don't
any of
want to
that.
talk I don't want
And
to talk down on anyone. We encourage people.
right.
We've paid hundreds of thousands in our live and it's still new. We know and recognize it has to get better. We've made some changes just recently to make it even better,
Yeah.
giving people more for their accounts. A lot of people confuse their sim money with real money. This is real money. People go in there with real money and burn it. It's not
Right.
good for the business, right? So
Yeah.
Right.
those are the things that we're working on. We're innovating it. I promise you, it's going to continue to get better. Unfortunately, all the people that have a great experience don't really come out and talk about it.
Mhm.
They don't
Right.
have to. It's their private information. But I could tell you, we're working hard to have a very transparent business out here and working with the community to continue to innovate and make things better.
Yeah.
Right.
So that's who
One
we are.
thing I
That's what
had,
we're all about.
one idea I always had, which I don't know what does this, but damn, I always be giving you guys. I don't know why, because you guys are always looking for innovation and stuff like that. And always
Yeah.
everything. But people that go live across the props don't really do anything for them. They always give out a certificate for you passed your funded or everything. But like, a live, hey, you're a live only trader. That's a flex in the industry. And I know a
Super
lot of
flex.
people would promote, like, there's a
And
couple firms where I'm a book only. And if I had a plaque or a trophy that said a book only, I would flex the fuck out of that. I'd be like, bro, that's badass. Like, oh, I'm not a real trader. A book only, twin. You're still on eval.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And
You're
I just
still on
always wondered why
Yeah.
eval.
nobody flexes these great. You guys have one of the best live programs in the game. There's other companies right
Yeah.
now getting crazy heat because of their live programs are
Yeah.
kind of failing, behind the industry standard, which you guys are right there at the industry standard. And nobody really flexes that. But like, if I'm telling you, if I had something that was like, yeah, Big Daddy Max can't trade no fundeds here. He's an A-book guy. I'm all over that. I'm all over that marketing. Just
Yeah.
some food for thought. I always thought that was such a
Exactly.
cool idea, because you want more live traders. That's what you guys are. You're a
Yeah.
prop firm. You want people to go live and make money, regardless of what the retail trader thinks. I know that's what you got. Right. So it's like
Exactly.
Manny just said, it's good people. We want people making money and we don't want them burned. Not good.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And just
So
wait till the reward system. That's gonna encourage the live traders
right.
so much more. It's almost double the points compared to someone who's in simulated, with real value to it, you know. I can't disclose much about it, but
Right.
the
Don't worry, we're
live
gonna take
league
you out to the
traders.
casino. We're gonna squeeze it out of you. We're gonna man,
Yeah.
Manny, you better hold him down. We're gonna have Logan on David's yeah, Martingale, David Martingale. Yeah, you better watch
Yeah.
out,
Yeah.
David. I'm telling you.
The live traders will be catered for more than anyone in our reward system, and I can't wait. Yes, they will be holding a plaque to their name. It'll feel like that they're VIP. And
Yeah,
They're gonna know it. They're gonna know that they're cared for more than anyone else in our trading system.
that's
Yeah.
awesome. Yeah,
And
that
by
is
the
sweet.
way, Adi says everything is perfectly fine with the 50% off resets code BDM. No issues there.
Perfect.
And just a reminder, we're at 65% off evals, 40% off straight to funded for the remainder of your show. And then we have a bunch of giveaways, which you are aware of. So we're really excited to see
You
people
guys are
connect
great.
with us.
Yeah,
Yeah, no,
you guys
thank
are
you,
great.
Max. You're great too. You and Lama. Lama, you're quiet
Yeah.
today, man. ¿Qué pasó? You all right, buddy?
No,
I'm
he's
going
not all
through it.
right.
I'm
He's
going
not
through
all
this
right,
house
Manny.
shit.
Tell him
I'm
he's
going through
not
this
all
house
right.
shit, Manny. I'm going through all these house problems. I got the new house. I've been installing all these things. Yesterday, I spent all day installing the water heater. I
Oh
go
man,
look
Welcome to
outside.
the
Llama,
club,
you
Garage
man.
is
sound just
leaking.
like
Well,
him, man.
listen. Llama's water heater hose busted night one.
Oh man, that's not good.
It
So
That's
he
not good.
woke
My
up
detached,
to a
neighbor's
and I
house
flood.
go
flooded
look,
day
and
one.
it's dripping water everywhere. It's so
Yeah.
depressing.
Oh,
Now I
man.
got a list of like 8 items that have to be fixed here at my new house as well, and it's overwhelming because you're already inside. You don't want anyone in your house. You want to be done.
And
You
Oh
I
want
my
have a
things
god.
to get
baby
done.
pulling up in 2 weeks.
Man,
So I'm
Oh
trying to get
man,
everything done before the
congrats
baby
though.
gets here. Thank you.
That's
I
yeah,
not gonna
appreciate it,
happen.
but
I'll tell you right now.
bro,
I
it's
bought
like
my house
beyond
in May.
stressful.
I bought my house in May, and Brooke was 5 months old, and we didn't move in until end of August. And here we are, the end of January. And guess what's still not done? Half the shit at my house. I feel like they say
That's so
2 years is when they say your house will be really truly completed to like the home status. But then they say by 3 years you're gonna want to move again. So who
that
knows?
is
yeah.
The
so
shit
I
never
moved
ends.
every I moved every 3 years for the last 12 years, Max. But every time it just gets better. You know, this time I think I'm done, but that's how
Yeah,
it
no.
happens. Uh,
right.
He's
You
not
guys think
done.
you know stress
Every time
about
he says
trading?
it.
You guys think you know trading stress? Try having a contractor ring your doorbell 5 minutes after you put your daughter down in the crib and she wakes up. You don't
Oh
know
man.
stress until that happens.
yeah, yeah. Hey Max, well, we want to thank you once again, man. Make sure you do. We got to get to this next meeting here in about 10
Yeah,
minutes, but
absolutely.
we want to thank you for having us on
Dude,
right
we love
before the
having you.
big event, man. Thank you. Make sure
This
you
is
Yeah,
get
such
the
a
thank you,
huge event.
Max.
giveaways. Yeah. And
Lizzo,
then
I
make sure
appreciate
you
you
send,
coming on, Dave. Dave, I think
yeah,
Of
the
course,
crowd
thank
wants
Funded
more
you.
David in
Tuesday.
their life, to be honest. I know a lot of the people chat here. I know you are familiar with the Max Way and everything. You know, everyone here, 64, almost 65,000 people. We're all very good fans and for users of Funded Future Family. And we definitely want some more David coming on. Dave, I think you need to come do some
Yes.
individual stuff. The head of operations, it's important. And you guys always come on. It's a breath of fresh air to see you both, especially both of
Yeah.
you coming on with your son. I'm a huge proponent of when we have family members trading together, and now you have a family growing a business together, and you guys are doing it the right way. And you're a no bullshit guy, is why I hooked you up with some of the people in the industry, Manny, and because I can say it with confidence. This guy right here is going to say something, and he's going to mean it, and he's going to act on it faster than anyone
Absolutely.
you ever fucking met. And that is a breath of fresh air in the industry where people like to backseat a lot of shit, or yeah, I'll get to it. And Manny's at 2 a.m. emailing me shit. I'm like, whoa, like
Absolutely. You
this guy
know it,
literally, I
man.
wake up
You
and I
know
see
it.
a Manny Mraz at 2 a.m. I'm like, he's on it. I'm like, you know, got it. So you guys, you're just
Absolutely.
a breath of fresh air in the industry. Your plans, you have a plan for everybody. You know what I mean? And then the amount of sales and discounts and giveaways you've given back to the community and more, the innovation, the rebranding, everything. I mean, huge
Yeah.
warehouse now where you guys are running so much shit. You're growing. You know,
Absolutely.
the growth is
Yeah. The
undeniable.
plan.
It's visual. And I really appreciate you guys, our friendship, our
Thank you.
partnership, and everything you're doing for Max Options Trading Live. You have no idea how much that means to the trading community. Everything you guys put together for this event is unbelievable, and I can't wait to see everyone's faces when they walk up to that FFF booth, when they see the FFF breakout room, when they get to talk and see the interview with David and all of that. It's going to be a game changer for everyone. You really
Absolutely, man.
giving back
Yeah.
to the community, especially mine. And I really, really thank you guys.
No, thank
No,
you. And
thank
that's
you,
just
man.
a show of appreciation, man. And Lama, send me your wife's registry, man. We're gonna take care of you, man. I
I
don't know what
appreciate
else
you,
you
Manny.
need. We
I
got you. If you
appreciate
send
you.
it, we'll take care of you.
That's
I
the best. I mean,
appreciate you, Manny. Thank
you
you.
know, you're a Wello now. You know, he knows
Four
the good shit.
grandkids.
Yeah, he knows the
Yep,
good
I know
shit.
how it is. Yeah.
Yeah. Before you
Got you
guys
guys. Hey, well,
go,
thanks again, man. Uh-huh.
before you guys go, what kind of giveaway are we talking about here? You know,
All right. So we are going to be giving away one velocity. They're all 100K plans, but one velocity, one elite, one premier, one classic, and then one straight to funded. And as well, anyone who uses code BDM today, you will be entered into a raffle where we will instantly turn your eval into a funded.
Oh,
That is huge. That is huge.
huge.
That is huge. All right,
That's the eval
just to
funded, not
clarify,
straight to funded. Yeah.
just to clarify, so any account plan that they have, if they win, you're going to turn their account funded on any account plan.
Yep. And it'll
Is
be
that one
the
account?
eval
Is that
funded.
one account, or is that their if they have allocation?
That'll be one account. Yeah.
One account. Okay, just to clarify. That is amazing. Wow. So we're giving out a straight to funded. Someone else is getting funded, and then we get to give out 100K of every plan you guys offer. Huge giveaway.
Yep.
Absolutely huge. David, you're a legend, brother. We can't wait to hang out with you this weekend. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, man.
And thank
Can't
you
wait
for
to
you
see you
dropping
guys.
in.
All right. Thank you, Max. You guys have a good one.
You too, brother. Thanks.
Take care.
All right, we got some work to do from the Funded Future family. Absolute legends.
That's fire. They said turn straight to fun. Turn
Bro, they
into a
said
funded. That's fire.
they're gonna give someone, bro. If you're on a fire account and you get chosen, you're funded. Here we go. So
Yeah,
now
that's
we
right.
got to drop 100K Velocity, 100K Premier, 100K Classic, 100K Elite, and 100K straight to funded. Someone's getting funded today, chat. Someone's getting funded today, courtesy of FFF, our entertainment sponsor. That is huge. Actually, 2 people are getting funded today because they're going to turn someone else's account. 2 people are getting funded on the house right now. If you want to participate, then you guys lock in with code BDM. Lock in with code BDM. And our first winner, we cannot forget about the guy.
She might start their story here.
The guy who did Funded Future Family 6 times fast. He was the first winner. Chat, let's give him the first account is the 100K Elite plan. Let's give him the 100K Elite mods for the first winner. Next winner, let's drop a badass. Let's do the 100K Premier plan. The 100K Premier plan, end of day drawdown, no activation fee, truly free to fund it right. Premier is fire. Yeah, I agree. The Premier is fire. So let's do a giveaway right now. I'm going to pull up a random member of the audience, and we are 954. 954 people in the chat. That's good luck.
Good luck.
10, 12, 14, 15, 30, 60, 90.
I want to click a short here.
80 to 10. 1, 2, 3. The winner is Javi 77. Javi 77. Come on up to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Come on up to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Come on up to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Come on up. Don't forget, guys, we are going to be giving away a YouTube giveaway. So if you have not already liked our YouTube stream, it's totally free for you guys. It's totally free for you guys to like a YouTube stream. Logan, where's my CSO? How do we have another Javi in the Discord? That should be a blocked name. Does he live up to Javi standards?
Does he show a hole right when he turns his camera on?
Does he show hole?
No, what do I do?
Oh God, he's freaking out. Turn your camera on. You're on a television show. But do not have hole. But what if he turns on the camera and he looks just like what if he's like literally like a twin of Javi?
Like a twin of Javi? That'd be
That would
crazy.
be, what if all Javis are the same? Oh, we
All
lost him.
Javis are the same.
We lost him. Javi, where'd you go? Javi 77. He's having a panic attack. Let's give him one more minute, and we have to be firm. We have to be firm and fair, Javi. If you can get your camera on in the next 30 seconds or so, we do have to move on, unfortunately, to the next winner. Why? Why? Okay. Javi, I'm going to give you about 10, 15 more seconds, brother.
I'm right here.
Well, we need your camera.
There you go.
What's going on?
What's up? No way. I can't believe I actually won something.
Everyone says that, but when they it's totally random.
That's so crazy.
Where are you from?
I'm in California.
Mexican?
I am, yeah.
I
Yeah,
heard it. I heard it when you said California.
dude, such a pleasure to be on the show with you guys. It's crazy. I'm always just like watching in the background, and dude, it's amazing. Thank you guys.
No, don't thank us. Thank you for supporting us, my
Thank you for
friend.
being
And
here, brother.
yeah,
Of course, of
it's,
course.
it's our
Everyone
pleasure to be
eventually
with you,
wins.
dog. How's your trading going? Are you living up to
Uh,
hobby standards?
I mean, I'm still on a prop firm. I honestly haven't gotten a payout yet.
Okay.
The comments are going wild. But you know, it's a process. I I still I'm trying, man. I'm trying.
Someone called you an
Joining your team,
unprofitable hobby.
joining your team has been a big change because I'm not gonna say who I was with before, but it felt like a gamble, and just coming on with your team has just been like it slowed everything down, and it's put up a different perspective on things.
Hell yeah. That's amazing to hear. Good shit. And remember, whatever perspective that did change, I'll tell you this 2026, no oversizing, no over trading. This is not a race, baby. We are
Yeah,
fucking here to make traders have fun and be profitable. That's one thing for sure that we are so excited for. So,
yeah.
good shit. So I think you can get there. Let me ask you something.
Sure.
Have you seen hobby trade? Profitable hobby,
Yeah,
not you.
yeah, yeah. He's a beast, man. He's a beast. I've
He's a
been on
beast.
his show. I'm at work when they're trading, so I'm hearing him in the background. But him and Logan,
Right.
they're just animals, bro.
Here's what I
They're
want to do. Here's what I want to do, Javi.
Different breeds.
You're unprofitable hobby, and we
yeah,
have the most profitable hobby in the world.
yeah.
I want to give you the 100% premier plan from Funded Future Family. You won that coming up. But
Nice.
I also want to give you 1 week access to the Quantum Gang to trade with the GOAT hobby. So
Okay.
so I want to also give you 1 week of Quantum Gang because I don't see hobby letting another hobby struggle like that. I think after 1 week of Quantum Gang, watch hobby trade live and watch
Yeah,
his insights and his videos on the quantum indicator. I think it's going to change your game again.
I think so.
I think you're really going to be elevated, especially if you got that mindset that we've been preaching and talk about. Then you're going to have, we're going to build an army of hobby. We're going to build an army of
Let's do it, bro. I'm so into it. Yeah, let's do it.
badass, brother. So congratulations. Not only did you make it on the show, you won a 100K premier plan from Funded Future Family. You won a week of Quantum Gang. And unfortunately, you probably are going to have to change your name in the Discord because we're going to make sure hobby is blocked after this.
Hey, I don't mind
in
that.
Discord, if other hobbies join, that means they can copy his name and scammer, spammer, piece of shit. So we don't allow any Maxes in the Discord. We don't allow any Logans. It's if anyone noticed that, you're not allowed to copy the staff's name. So
Hey, man, I'll take it. Yeah, let's do it.
the first army of hobby member, welcome. This is Hobby 77. Congratulations, brother. Open a support ticket. Do you have anything left to say to us and the chat?
I'm good, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything you do.
Badass, my man. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Nice.
First winner, we have a hobby. Are all hobbies like Javier?
Basically, hobby short for Javier.
Yeah, but is there anything like Max? Could be Maxwell, Maximus, Maximilian. Is there like Javimus?
Javi McCavimus. No, I haven't seen
Is
that
there
one.
Javi McCavi? Is that one? It's just straight
Okay.
Javier. There's no like additional secondaries.
Nope, nothing.
Javi Hole.
Javi Hole. Javi Hole is a
Javi
thing.
Hole. Javius. Javina. Javita. Javi
Javita.
Hole. Dang. Congratulations. All right. We gave out 100K Elite, 100K Premier, and then the next one in the order is the 100K Classic. The 100K Classic is the next one, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get a random audience. Actually, let's give this one over to the YouTube. Let's give this one over to the YouTube. YouTube only. YouTube only. Where's my YouTube chat at, baby? Where my YouTubers at? Where my YouTubers at? YouTubers only. YouTubers only. So if you guys aren't on the tube, I know that's about flooded. Here we go. Let's give 100% classic to the YouTube. We're going to throw a code word out there. Clearly, the code word, you can only say it once. You can only say it once, guys. If you spam it, you do not get entered into the win. It do not get entered into the win. Get ready. I killed it at Prop Fest this weekend. Saturday morning, I went berserk on that. I was pissed I only had 30 minutes. They should have gave me an hour. There's some people that get 30 minutes. Max, I need an hour. I was just getting started at that 30-minute mark. I was ready to rock, baby. Get ready. Yes, Aniki, we'll have the recording. The code.
This is for my fellow bald guy, Big
We got a
Dan.
dono coming in here. We didn't get a reading on it, Hobby. Did not. Aniki, we did not get it, but big shout out to David Souden. Is that Dave from Port St. Lucie? David Souden. This is for my fellow bald guy, Dan. David Souden is a good friend of mine from my Port St. Lucie days back in 2010. So big shout out to Dave on the tube. Guys, the key word is FFF. FFF. Type it once, type it only. It has to be in capital letters. F, F, F. F, F, F. Type it once, type it only, and the winner will be announced here shortly. Oh, I heard it. This is from my fellow ball guy, Big Dan. Wow, that was delayed as shit. That was delayed as shit. Guys, on the YouTube only, you low IQ individuals. Jesus. YouTube only.
YouTube, please. Not in the
Triple
Discord,
times
guys.
F.
Not in the Discord.
So boy with a $5 dono said FFF.
YouTube, please.
Thank you. Remember, that goes to the staff, guys. I mean, everything donation goes to the staff, please. I can't drag the show out today. I know Lama and I have to go, but remember, code DM, 65% off all evals at FFF, 50% off all resets, 40% off all straight to fundeds. And if you use code BDM, you have a raffle to turn one eval into a funded account. And the winner is Corey Martin, F5H. Corey Martin, F5H. Congratulations, Corey. You have won a 100K classic account. Congratulations, my friend. Congratulations. There's always one guy on YouTube who's like, rigged, lame,
rigged.
Losers. I have no fucking idea who Corey is. Why would I rig it? I don't know who he is. We have no idea who the fuck any of these people are. Did you hear the guy that just came up here? Wow, I can't believe I'm on the show. This is so random.
Sounds hella scripted when you say it like that.
Yeah. Max is in cahoots with the random Mexican from Cali. Max in the fucking look at you guys are nuts. You guys are nuts. So let's see what we got next. We have next the Velocity 100K. Their newest plan is going crazy. The Velocity 100K, and we're gonna pull up a random winner for this one. We still got 800, so we saw over 1,000 people. Number 6. Whoa, 2, 4, 6 is Patch. No tag, but right to his left, David DMO. Come on up to the Big Daddy Morning Show, David.
Closing with 695 today.
Come
Don't
on up
want
to the
lose
Big Daddy
IT to
Morning
make
Show,
the wrong
David.
number profit. Have enough experience losing toffets like that before. Smiley face emoji.
David, please come to Big Daddy Morning Show, please. You potentially win a big award. You potentially a big award. The Velocity will actually be 2 50K accounts because they don't have 100K. So the next winner gets 2 50K accounts. I love that. Tashar with another tip, 400 rupees.
Did he say how much that is in USD also?
No, he didn't give us the conversion today. It's $4.36.
Nice.
Huge.
Good.
Huge. But he donates every day. I love you. I love you, Tashar. He's great. YouTube is great. He's a wonderful guy. All right, let's get another winner person up here. Hey, David, no answer, please. And fair for everybody. And the next winner number is, I'm going to count it out, 60, 20, 210, 270, 85 is Z Drav. Z Drav 0. Come on up to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Z Drav. Z Drav. Lights, camera, action. Hello.
You guys hear me?
Yeah, we just can't see you. We need your camera.
Just a second.
Oh boy. I heard that.
You guys see me now?
Yeah, we can hear you just good. Where are you from?
Bulgaria.
Bulgaria. Badass. What do you do out in Bulgaria?
Like for a living?
Yeah, for work. Yeah.
I'm a financial intermediary.
Financial intermediary. What does that fucking
Yeah.
mean?
Well, the title is financial advisor, but it's not like a CFA. More, I assist people with insurance, loans, ETF brokerages.
Oh, okay. Okay. Nice.
So it's not like a CFA, like licensed financial advising, but it's like a financial intermediary connecting the financial institutions that sell the financial products with the retail customer.
Hell yeah. Okay, good shit. That's pretty cool. How long you been doing that?
About 5 years.
5 years?
Yeah,
yeah.
just around like more like 6 now because it was just as COVID hit.
Right, good shit. Okay, not bad. That's pretty cool. And how long you been trading for?
Like on and off since like university, but I've been studying, educating myself for the past 6 months. Like right when I started following you guys.
Right. And how's that been going? You're trading for 6 months.
Not the way I would like, because I don't have a lot of problem getting funded, but once I get funded, I have trouble holding an account for over 3 days, basically.
Wow. So what do you think your big shout out to Eho Jackson to thank you, Mr. Jackson. So what do you think your biggest problem is? Why you can't make it 3 days? What's the biggest issue there? Is it over trading? Is it oversizing? Why that 3-day mark?
It's psychology. Sometimes it's over trading. Like I'm up like $500. I see that I see the market move. I think I can be more, and I can get another 500, and then
greedy.
it
You're
hits the
greedy.
fence.
Let me ask you
sometimes
this.
it's greed. Sometimes it's oversizing.
Right. And do you make $500 more a day at your job?
No.
Right. But 500 is not enough when you're trading, right?
I think it's more like a FOMO because I see market moves. I know some people are making money off, and I'm thinking, why shouldn't I? Like,
Right. But you can't
it's
compare
more
yourself to
Yeah, but
nobody.
you're not
FOMO
at
than
that
greed.
level.
Right. Llama,
You're
this is you.
comparing yourself.
Watch
Yeah,
this.
you're
Watch
you're
the llama work.
comparing yourself to other people, which is a big problem. You don't know if these, like, maybe you're on a funded account making $500. These other people are making 3,000 on a demo. So it's like you're trying to compare yourself to someone YOLOing 15 minis on a demo account, and you're out here on a funded account making what you make in a week in 1 hour. Like, if you're making $500 in 1 hour, why are you trying to go from then you end the week at 0 when you can end the week at 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, which is probably more than what you're making at your job? And you're just getting stuck comparing yourself to people on the internet, which you don't know what they're doing. You don't know if they're trading 20 accounts and they're making that much. They're trading account, they're on demo, if they're on funded. Like, you don't know any of this, so you're comparing yourself to something you don't even know it's true.
Yeah. It's I realize it, and then when I'm in the moment, I forget all this out the window.
Because you're looking at the money. Stop looking at the money. The
Yeah.
money doesn't matter.
Yeah.
The second you stop looking at the money, it just starts to roll in. Like, believe it or not, once you stop looking at it, by the end of the week, you're gonna say, "Holy shit, I made this much," and then that's real money. You're on a funded account. You get to pull it out.
Yeah.
Like, it's better to make actual money than like chase fake numbers and then not make anything.
Yeah. And for example, right now I'm like $450 up on Apex Eva, and I know that the greed is still it has a hold on me basically because I see the market move and I jump in. I want to, you know, one day to pass, you know, get it done today so I can be on a funded tomorrow. But
That's one of the reasons Apex Trader is at the top of the list, because they were the first people to allow 1 day passing. So people keep trying to pass in 1 day. And that's why a company that sells accounts for $20 is one of the most profitable companies, because people are doing that 20 times in a day.
Hello. Let me send a screenshot. Hold on. Let me log into my cash accounts right now, and I'll show you guys yet again. I will use this example for as long as I have these accounts to show people that, look at this. And I'm going to show you. And this is what the leverage and the position that these props give us. They give us the opportunity to leverage and to do so much. So look at this. I got this cash account started on the 18th. Excuse me, on the 18th. Yep, on the 18th of January. So that was about 8 days ago, right? One and done. Here's the equity. Look at this. Look at this. And it didn't update today's $290 gain. Look at these graphics here. I have been taking base hits, $173, $12.44. Great day. I had a big run. 269, 254, 845. Today was 290. Look at the equity curve of my graph. Look at the compounding gains. After today, I will have over $3,000 cash across 5 accounts withdrawable. I can pull out $15,000 cash in 6 trading days. And I have a $173 day, a $254 day, a $289, a $290. These are not sexy, impressive, trying to sell you some bullshit on social media numbers. This is reality. This is the reality of trading. They want you to keep trading and blow your shit, but in reality, base hits compound like a motherfucker with props. They compound like a motherfucker. Nothing in the game will ever allow you to have a tool that you can leverage for that kind of bread, except for daily base hits the max way, one and done. Any firm, use Funded Future Family, you can do it. Any firm allows you to do this. Any single one. The base hits add up. It's very easy. It's a very root psychology of, if you think of it as a casino and how to win, when you hit a bag, you get up out of the seat and you leave. That's as simple as it gets. I mean, that's what you got to get into. And, you know, Aniki, pull my shit up for the YouTube. Pull those charts up for the YouTube to see, because when everyone starts calling me, you know, oh, this guy's bullshit, they don't show his entries or anything. Pull it up for them all to see the days as well, so they can see too. So when all the haters start talking shit about me as well, you know, maybe they'll make it to this part of the video and they'll be like, oh man, this guy's actually the real deal. He has thousands of students and makes fucking millions.
And one other thing now that I think about it is I realized it when I watched they couldn't, it's like time difference Bulgaria to the US. I watched the podcast when Lama was the guest. When he was talking about, I think it was a 20K day, and then after that, expecting the same amount every day. That I was thinking, and I did one, so I can do it every day.
Yeah, that was the best and worst day of my trading career, because it ruined my psychology. I thought every day was a 20K day, and I lost like track of I lost the respect of money. I would see 10, 15,000 in profit, and it wasn't 20. And now I was just hurting myself. Imagine if I compounded 10K here, 10K there, 5K here, 8K there. I would have had a way bigger. I would have been way more successful, but that's, you know, you have to go through it to understand it. We can tell you these things, but unless you go through it, and this is why I always say you have to get sick of your own shit because we can't control that. You won't buy any, like, there's nothing in the world that you can buy course wise that's going to make you stop doing that, because that's you clicking the buttons. We can tell you what to do, but you're the one clicking the buttons, you're the one putting on the risk, and you're the one that gets your ass off that chair.
Yep.
We can't get you off that chair, we can't get your finger off the mouse, so it's all up to you. There's nothing that we can do about it.
Nothing. Sports is you versus other teams. Golf is you versus the course. Trading is me versus me.
Yep.
Simple. You could do it. I mean, it's easier for us to say. Obviously, been doing this a very long time. And me and Lama, right? And we preach this all day with the thousands of interviews that we've done. But it's up to you, brother, and you can do it. You can do it, and we're going to support you doing it with a 100K velocity plan. You just want 100K.
Wow.
Wait, classic or are you the velocity or the classic? I think you're the velocity. So you're going to win two 50K velocity plans right now. You're going to get two 50K velocity plans from Funded Future Family, and we'll support you on your journey, baby. So open a support ticket. Congratulations. And do you have anything else that you need to say to us in the chat?
I just want to say, because I've been talking with a colleague of mine who's kind of into trading as well. I want to say that there's no comparison to your community to anything anybody else is doing. Like, you guys are shit.
Hell yeah. Appreciate you, my
Appreciate
man.
that, bro.
Good shit, Z-Drive. Enjoy it. Congratulations on the win. Let's crush it.
Thank you, guys. Have a good evening.
You too. All right, we got one more big winner, and this is for a straight to funded. This is for a straight to funded. Look at this, right on the YouTube. Right on the YouTube. Look at this. As soon as you preach, you show them everything, and then you got a guy like Martin. You got a loser like Martin. Look at this. No matter what you do, no matter what you guys do, you give away hundreds of thousands of dollars to free people. You help single mothers and people that need money. You put children through daycare. You guys hit consistent bangers and entertainment live for free. You guys have the biggest giveaways for every prop firm in the industry. You guys do this all for free and only ask for support for your staff. And then you have people who are going to call you bullshit. Boo this man. Everyone, boo Martin. Boo. Boo.
It's
Boo.
funny,
this.
it's always gonna there's always gonna be those type of guys. Like, it's not even about all we do for the community. It's just the fact that we trade live completely for free and do it every single day and show payouts, show what more do people need to see at that point, you know?
Here we go. Chat. Everyone to the YouTube. Everyone to the YouTube. Everyone to the YouTube. Straight to funded account is coming out at 400 likes. 400 likes. And I'm dropping a straight to funded account. Somebody's going to get funded right now on YouTube. Someone's going to get funded right now on YouTube.
This guy said I booed him twice, once in Discord and one on YouTube.
Hey, Spiral.
You know what's crazy? You want to know a crazy fact?
Spiral, open a support ticket. Spiral USD, open a support ticket. Get this guy a free indicator for a week. Get this guy the P2P indicator for a week.
Who?
My boy said I booed him twice. Get this
guy.
guy.
Yeah.
Spiral USD. Funny. Spiral USD. Get this guy a P2P indicator, baby.
I don't know if this is 100% certain, Max, but I want to say there is no trader with over 500,000 followers that trades live for free. I want to say Max is the only one.
Is there any other big names that trade for free?
Think about it. No, I really don't think there is. They all have private groups. They all trade, you know, and
what about Rari?
Discords.
Does Rari trade for free?
No, Rari trades for them ones.
Damn, Rari does trades for ones.
Rari trades for them ones.
Rari! I'm going to be at 1 million followers this year. And guess what, team? I'm still going to be here trading for free with my dog. Let's go, baby. We're almost there, guys. 50 more likes. And we're getting someone on YouTube funded today. 50 more likes, and somebody gets funded right now. Yo, Aniki, hold on. Change that to blonde hair. Change that to blonde hair and bigger lips, and it's kind of right. And then take the shoes off. Wait a minute. Do dancers wear shoes?
Guys, I see all the people you're recommending. Sorry to tell you, they don't have
I don't think I've
500K
ever looked at a
followers.
dancer's feet.
Didn't listen.
Do women wear shoes?
No. No, they don't.
I don't think Rory had shoes on. They wear heels? Because they want you to smell the glitter underneath their Never. Rory! They want you to smell the glitter underneath their We're going to give out a free account, please. Somebody's getting fun. We got 400 likes. YouTube. Everyone go to the YouTube. Get ready.
Yep. I did my research, bro. I stand on it. Max is the only trader with 500,000 followers on Instagram that trades live. And as for the people on YouTube, sorry to tell you guys, do your research. I see purchase subscribers.
Get ready. Guys, get ready on the YouTube. The keyword is coming. Danny don't have even close to 500,000 YouTube on Instagram. Get ready.
Tori doesn't trade live.
The code word is FFF funded now. FFF funded now. Copy and paste FFF funded now in all capital
One word,
letters.
guys. One word,
Please,
one time.
Only say it once. If you guys
One
say
word,
it more
one
than once,
time.
if you
Guys,
guys say
do
it
your
more than once,
research.
you will
500K
not.
followers.
One word, FF funded now for the Funded Future family. 65% off sale ends in 15 or 30 minutes. Funded Future family sale ends. It's a flash sale for the Big Daddy morning show. It ends in 15 minutes. So guys, do not miss the opportunity for 65% off evals, 40% off straight to funded, 50% off all resets. And we're going to pick one lucky winner who's going to get one of their evals moved to funded today. Melanated Wellness just subscribed. Thank you, Melanated Wellness. Doesn't sound right.
Not gonna lie to you, twin.
Jumpy Boy TV is
qualified.
Jumpy Boy TV, you are disqualified.
This is very funny. Not gonna lie to you.
Don't post it twice unless you're trying to post it twice. Win or lose, I'm buying the Mastermind. And he said, fuck Mark. My guy. My guy. What a legend. All right, guys, we're going to pick a winner here in about 20, 30 seconds. FFF funded now. One word, all caps. If you posted it more than once, then you do not get to participate. So unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. All right. Let's see. And we're going to start getting ready. Get ready. And the winner is someone just got funded right now. DZ Bands. DZ Bands. Congratulations. You just won 100K funded account. DZ Bands. DZ Bands. Congratulations. Big W's in the chat for DZ Bands. My boy DZ Bands. He just said, yo. Yeah, congratulations. You just won a fucking 100K funded account. Congratulations, twin. DZ Bands. Yo. Isn't that fire? I don't even think he's in the Discord. Congratulations, my dude. If you deserve it, the Big Daddy
Max, look what I
Morning
sent you in
Show.
this group chat
The Big Daddy Morning Show
on Discord.
serve.
How funny this is.
Oh yeah, that's already all over. It's already all over.
Womp womp.
Great job, guys. Great job. Great job. Congratulations to all the winners. Huge winners today. 500K accounts, one of them straight to funded. Massive sale ending in 30 minutes, and someone else will get funded by the end of the day. Nobody's doing it like the Big Daddy Morning Show. Nobody's doing it like the Big Daddy Morning Show. Unbelievable job, everybody. What a great day. Escaped with a big dub, 1,500 cash, 3,000 across evals. So good. So good. Amazing. Very bullish day. Market
Very
looked
bullish day. Tried a bunch. I escaped the day with 500 profit. If I,
Lama made profit
humbly
today.
speaking, a very successful trader can end the day with 500 profit, you guys should not be fucking chasing thousands of dollars. Just say that.
You converted me from crypto to trading NQ. Congratulations. You made the right move, my guy. I'll tell you right now, who's ready for max options trading live, baby? 2 days in a wake up. We are going to be killing it. Who's ready to watch me pull my shirt because I'm so fat like this? Who's ready to watch me pull my shirt all weekend long? Big Daddy
Right.
Max. This is what you're going to see. I'm going to be trading live. You profile, side profile like this. Gonna be a lot of shirt pulling, baby. A lot of fat shirt pulling. Don't get stuck. Yeah, Aniki said if you're in the or Dan, if you're a local, you might want to get there early because there's gonna be a million locals trying to get there for the event, guys. So MOT Live, baby. We cannot wait to see you. VIPs. Logan, release the course. It's time for you guys to learn how the Pivot Hunter King trades. All VIPs, Logan's course. Drop it for him today, mods. Logan was like, I'm not sure if Max is giving away my course. VIPs, all get Logan's course. Ah, shit. Here we go. VIP exclusives. Open up a support ticket. If you're a VIP for the event, congratulations. You are all getting Logan's course. You're getting everything. I don't ask my staff for much. They make an ungodly amount of money, and all I need for them to do is just give the VIPs some stuff. It's a fair trade. It's a fair trade. It's basically just martingale every presentation. Do we have a picture of Logan's presentation? What happened? Do I have to scroll up for it? How do I find that? Do I have to scroll all the way up? Hold on. This is worth scrolling for. I will scroll until I find it. Hold on. Logan dropped the greatest presentation. Here it is. Here it is. Hope you guys are ready for Logan's course. It's see green candle, click buy. See red candle, click sell. Any pullback, DCA until green. Martingale losses. Blame market makers for any losses. Thank you, Logan CSO. It's probably one of the best courses in the game.
I'm about to buy that shit right now.
Shelves. It's flying off the shelves. Not financial advice. Nothing we do is financial advice. NFA. It's one of the greatest strategies. Do not share my sauce. I'm sorry, Logan. We just shared your entire course. We just shared your entire course. So, but it's a great course. It's a great course. So, guys, congratulations on everyone today. And remember, nothing we do is financial advice. We're not financial advisors. We're filming the Big Daddy show for entertainment purposes only. NFA, no financial advice was given today. Great day. Congratulations to all the winners. Guys, if you want to check out the indicators, we have the best indicator suite in the game. And remember, like I said, Javi trades live with his students, the Quantum Gang. Logan trades live and coaches his indicator students, the Pivot Hunters. Lama and the P2P check out Pay to Play University. If you guys want exclusive access to the pre-market team, then check out Pay to Play University. If you want to learn the Max way, check out the Maxtermind course. If you want all the sauce, everything in Llama God, check out Futures One. It's completely up to you guys. We don't give a shit if you buy it or not. The indicators, I would say, definitely give the indicators a go, especially if you want to trade live with like Javi. It's a no-brainer. It's the only indicator suite where the person who developed it is going to give you continued education, coaching, and live trading. It's a no-brainer. So make sure you guys lock in. Make sure you guys tip the staff. Tip the staff. Thank you for all the donations today on the YouTube. As always, guys, $10 from Dave, $5 from Zoe, to Shar, Jackson, $30-$40 for the moderator team. They keep us safe from spammers, scammers, bullshit, and handle all of your customer support tickets. So, guys, tip the staff. Someone timeout Logan. Tip the staff.
Get a timeout on Logan.
Get a timeout on weekly. Tip the staff, guys. They work entirely off tips, and it's the end of the month. And they're coming to work at Max Options Trading Live. So the work does not stop for the mods. They literally have to keep working while we're all having fun. So let's keep crushing it and killing it. Congratulations to the winners.
Logan reminds me of Ron Weasley. Wow.
Thank you to today's sponsor, FFF, Funded Future Family. It's for about 10 to 15 more minutes. 10 to 15 more minutes. You guys get 65% off all evals. You guys get 40% off of straight to funded. And you guys get we've officially given out $27,000 in giveaways. $27,000 in giveaways, and we're going to be crushing it. 17 wins this year. You guys see all of my entries, exits, posts, and everything. I put it up. It doesn't matter who's going to talk shit. Put it up there for you guys. Really, that's it. That's it. If you guys want to continue to support the team, make sure you use code BDM. Use code BDM. That's all we ask. And don't forget, on TPT, you can hit P2P for my boy, the Lama. As if you want to keep helping us give back to the community all year and give back hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of free shit to you guys, that's all we need from you. Forever. Love y'all. Thank you to everyone in the cord. Thank you to everyone in the tube. And get ready for Max Options Trading Live, baby. Greatest trading event ever. Trading Wheels is in 30 minutes, guys. Trading Wheels is in 30 minutes. So if you any questions answered at all, futures, options, equity, anything, Trading Wheels, the #1 show for trading beginners, is on in 30 minutes. We love you guys. Thank you so much. And Lama.
Excellent day, guys. I need to go handle all this other bullshit. So depressing. We love y'all. We're out of here. Max always closing it off perfectly. It's my turn, Maxie. And get by on that host.
Yeah. Love y'all, baby. See you tomorrow on the Big Daddy Morning Show.
Max with his hands on the handle. Charts up like a stained glass panel. Reaching price levels, lighting up the channel. First 15, y'all, that's the line. Opening range, mark horizontals in white. If it rips past high, he's riding that flight. If it snaps that low, he's short and on sight. Let's go.
It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Raise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
Gospel in the game. Holly on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet, yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet, yo.
Lama, red pajama on the cam. Laughing while he draws those levels on the span. Golden line swing like a church choir stand. Pull back, hit the mark, that's a gift, that's a plan. Fibs on the move, he hums like a hymn. From the swing to the wick, watch the retrace swim. If it holds that zone,
He's all in with the grin.
if it cracks that floor,
He's dancing out again. Step out. It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Raise hands up when the profits grow.
gospel in the game.
Hallelujah, holly on the floor.
Most entertaining thing on the internet, yo.
Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow.
Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold.
Most entertaining show on the internet, yo. Candles talk, what they saying? going. They show turnarounds, time to get going.